Hi there, my wonderful friends. Are you looking to add some cozy fall vibes to your home without spending too much? I've got something exciting for you today, a Dollar Tree Halloween haul. You won't believe all the adorable decorations and DIY ideas we'll create on a budget. Do you want to make your home feel festive for Halloween but don't want to break the bank? Then stick around. I've got 10 easy DIYs that'll make your home a fall paradise. Perfect for those cool evenings when the air feels just right and the scent of cinnamon and pumpkin is in the air. Imagine stepping onto your porch and feeling like you've just walked into a cozy autumn wonderland. Your neighbors will be jealous, trust me. Now I'm going to share some of the must-have items from Dollar Tree. Oh yes, you can make a fall masterpiece with just a few simple things. Plus, I'll walk you through 10 simple and fun DIY projects that will bring that fall magic right to your doorstep. We'll be making wreaths, table centerpieces, and so much more, all without spending a fortune. If you're new here, I'm so happy you found us. This is Golden Year's Lifestyle Hub, where we share fun and creative ideas to make your home and garden a joyful place in your golden years. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on all the easy and beautiful projects we got coming up. Grab a cup of tea, relax, and let's get started making your fall dreams come true. DIY 1. Fall Wreath. Let's start with a classic, shall we? Making a fall wreath. It's such a simple, fun project that's guaranteed to get your front door looking festive and welcoming, just in time for those crisp autumn evenings. Plus, it's the perfect way to really embrace the season without spending a lot of money. Now, here's what you'll need. A basic wreath form, some autumn-colored leaves. Dollar Tree is the best ones. Mini pumpkins, and maybe a cute little ribbon for that extra touch. You can even get creative with the ribbon, depending on what colors you want to pop on your front door. All you need to do is glue everything on, nice and easy. And there you have it, a beautiful, handmade fall wreath. Now, here's a little tip. If you're like me and love that rustic charm, you can add a bit of twine around the wreath. It'll give it a warm, homey feel that's perfect for fall. Imagine your neighbors walking by and seeing that wreath. They might even knock on your door to ask where you got it from. And hey, you want to hang this up before the trick-or-treaters arrive, so they get a warm, festive welcome when they come to your door. Don't want them to think you're handing out candy with a side of spooky vibes, right? Trust me, this simple wreath will make your front door stand out, and you'll love how cozy it makes your entire home feel. It's one of those little touches that really makes autumn special. So, let's move on to our next DIY, but take your time with this one. Add your personal flair, and don't rush it. Your front porch will thank you. DIY 2. Pumpkin garden markers. Now, let's take care of your garden with these cute pumpkin garden markers. They're an easy way to add some autumn charm right where you love to spend time. Your garden. Here's what you'll need. Mini pumpkins, wooden dowels, and a permanent marker. All you have to do is glue the dowels to the bottom of the pumpkins, then write fun words like boo or harvest on them. It's that simple, and you'll have a charming, fall-inspired garden in no time. Just make sure your pumpkins don't get too spooky, though. Don't want your plants getting scared off. And here's a fun tip. If you're feeling a little creative, you can even paint the pumpkins to match the fall colors in your garden. Maybe a warm orange or deep red to complement your flowers. It'll really tie everything together beautifully. Your garden will thank you, and you'll have a little bit of Halloween spirit right where you grow your favorite plants. DIY 3. Ghost lanterns. Let's add a little spooky fun with these adorable ghost lanterns. They'll light up your porch or garden beautifully when the evening falls and give your space just the right amount of Halloween charm. Here's what you'll need. Some white cheesecloth, small glass jars, and LED tea lights. Simply drape the cheesecloth over the jar, creating that ghostly shape, and then drop in the LED tea light. That's it. In just a few simple steps, you'll have your very own ghost lanterns ready to cast a soft, spooky glow. And don't worry, these little ghosts won't scare you, but they'll definitely add a magical touch to your evening ambience. These ghost lanterns are perfect for setting a cozy Halloween mood. You can place them on your porch, along your garden path, or even on your front steps. The soft glow will make your home feel inviting and festive, but still with a little spooky fun. DIY 4. Upcycled fall planters. Now, let's get a little creative with upcycled fall planters. This is such a fun way to breathe new life into old containers and turn them into charming planters for your fall plants. Plus, it's a great way to repurpose things you might already have lying around. All you need is an empty can, jar, or even a small basket. You can paint them in warm fall colors like orange, burgundy, or gold, or wrap them in twine for a rustic feel. Once your containers are ready, just fill them with mums, ferns, or any other autumn plants you love. It's that simple. This takes me back to when we used to upcycle everything we could to make our homes feel special and cozy. Nothing went to waste, and everything had a second life. Those were the days. For that extra rustic charm, try using burlap ribbon to tie around your planters. It'll add that perfect fall touch to your porch or garden, and you'll feel so proud of these DIY beauties. DIY 5. Fall-themed mason jar centerpieces. Let's create some lovely fall-themed mason jar centerpieces. These are not only perfect for your kitchen table, but also make wonderful gifts for family and friends. They're easy to put together and so charming. Start with a mason jar, then fill it up with small pumpkins, candy corn, or any little fall treasures you like. Next, tie a rustic ribbon around the jar, maybe something in burlap or twine for that cozy autumn feel. And for that extra touch, place a little candle inside to create a warm, inviting glow when it's lit. If you have grandkids, they'll absolutely love the candy corn part. Just make sure it doesn't disappear before you're ready to show it off. Here's a tip. If you're looking to switch it up a bit, you can also fill the jars with pine cones, acorns, or even little sprigs of dried leaves you find on your walks. Nature's got so many treasures to offer, and they all make for beautiful, natural decorations. DIY 6. Mini pumpkin baskets. Now, let's make these adorable mini pumpkin baskets. They're just too cute, and you can use them for so many things, whether it's holding candy, small fall flowers, or even little fall treasures like acorns or pine cones. Here's what you'll need. A small pumpkin, a sharp knife, and a spoon. Start by cutting the top off the pumpkin, just like you're making a jack-o'-lantern, but we'll be leaving it lidless. Scoop out the inside, and just like that, you've got yourself a tiny pumpkin basket ready to be filled. Now, if only these pumpkins could hold all the autumn snacks you'll need for those cozy evenings by the fireplace. But they'll definitely do the trick for a little festive touch around the house. Here's a fun tip. You can decorate the outside of your pumpkins with a little glitter or paint to add some sparkle and shine. It's a great way to make them extra special and give them a little glow, just in time for those fall evenings. DIY 7. Fall mason jar candle holders. Now, let's make some cozy fall mason jar candle holders. These are super easy to put together and perfect for those cool fall nights when you want your home to feel extra warm and inviting. Start with a mason jar and fill it with fake leaves, pine cones, or even little twigs from your backyard. Once your jar is filled, just place a candle inside, either a traditional candle or a battery-operated one for extra safety. And just like that, you got a lovely fall-themed candle holder to brighten up your space. These also make fantastic gifts for neighbors or family members who love the fall season. Imagine giving them one of these beautiful creations. It'll definitely bring a smile to their faces. Here's a tip. If you got little ones or pets at home, you can use battery-operated candles instead of real ones. That way, you get the warm glow without worrying about any safety concerns. DIY 8. Fall-themed pillow covers. Want to add a cozy touch to your living room? Let's make some fall-themed pillow covers. These are so simple to make and will instantly warm up any space. Perfect for curling up with a good book or enjoying a hot cup of tea. Start with a simple pillow cover and some fall-themed fabric from Dollar Tree. You can easily sew or even glue on little designs like leaves, pumpkins, or any other fall motifs you love. It's all about making your space feel as cozy as the season itself. This takes me back to when we used to make homemade gifts for the holidays when I was younger. There's something so special about creating something with your own hands. It just adds that personal touch, don't you think? For a no-sew option, don't worry. You can use fabric glue to attach the designs. It's quick, easy, and just as effective. Plus, no sewing machine required. DIY 9. Fall-themed picture frame. Let's create a fall-themed picture frame, shall we? It's a wonderful way to display a photo from your autumn adventures, whether it's a lovely walk through the woods or a cozy family gathering. Start with a simple wooden frame and glue on some fall leaves, twigs, or even small pumpkins. This is such an easy way to personalize your home and bring that fall magic into every room. This project is also perfect for doing with your grandchildren if they love arts and crafts. Imagine the fun you'll have together, making memories and a little fall decor at the same time. Here's a tip. If you want to add a bit more charm, you can also paint the frame with fall colors like orange, red, or golden yellow. It'll really make your picture frame pop and fit perfectly with the rest of your autumn decorations. DIY 10. Fall decor garland. Lastly, let's make a beautiful fall garland. This is such a simple, fun project, and it can go anywhere. Around your mantle, over a doorway, or along your porch railing. It's a lovely way to add that autumn magic to your home in just a few easy steps. All you need is some string or twine, and then you can attach mini pumpkins, fake leaves, and small twigs. Just string them together, and voila, you've got a charming fall garland ready to hang wherever you want. This is such a sweet and simple way to bring autumn into every room of your house. Whether it's draped over a fireplace or wrapping around a doorway, it will instantly make your space feel like fall has arrived. Here's a tip. If you want to add a little extra texture, try adding small pine cones or even fabric flowers to your garland. It'll give it a lovely, natural touch and make it even more special. Before we wrap up, let me share a few bonus tips to make your fall decorating even easier and a little more fun. First off, use Dollar Tree's fairy lights to add a cozy glow to any of your DIY projects. Whether you tuck them into a pumpkin lantern or wrap them around your garland, they'll bring a warm, inviting light that's perfect for the fall season. Also, don't be afraid to mix and match your DIY decor with your favorite store-bought items. A little combination of both can give your space a unique, personalized touch that reflects your own style. Trust me, your guests will be impressed. And here's a little trick I love, adding a cozy throw blanket to your outdoor chair. It makes the perfect spot for sipping hot cider or enjoying a quiet moment in your fall-inspired garden. Plus, it's just so inviting. I hope these DIYs and tips have inspired you to bring some fall magic into your home. Thank you so much for joining me today, and don't forget to subscribe for more cozy, senior-friendly DIYs. Happy fall, everyone! So, there you have it. 10 simple and affordable ways to bring fall into your home with Dollar Tree finds and easy DIYs. I hope these projects have sparked your creativity and inspired you to get cozy and crafty this season. From pumpkins to picture frames, each project brings a little extra autumn magic to your space, and they're all so simple to do. If you love these DIY ideas, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Golden Years Lifestyle Hub, and share it with a friend who might enjoy these fall tips too. You know, it's always nice to spread the cozy vibes. Let me know in the comments which project you're most excited to try. And if you have any other fall decor ideas or tips to share, I'd love to hear them. We're all about learning and growing together in this cozy little community. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so glad we could share these fun projects together. Happy fall decorating, and I'll see you in the next video.